But I can't go in that room because it has faces on the painting, so I'm just gonna look at it. Oh, no faces. What's over here? Oh wait, this is the bathroom again. Light switch. Oh wait, this is the, wait, what's this? This is the attic! This is the attic, I've never seen that before. Wow! Okay. Okay, what's this? No, it's just the exit to this room. Wait, let's go back up into the attic again. Whoa. Look at that, there's even fire alarms in it too. They added, oh wait, is there another? No, there's no another hallway, but I've never seen the attic in this house before. Wow. Okay, but let's go downstairs so we can just turn off the system. No, that's not the exit. Yeah. Alright, what's in here? I hope no faces this time. Oh wait, no faces. Or no faces. Good, if there's no faces on the paintings. But now let's go over here so we can see more rooms. It's going off still. We might have more time with here. What? Is this a secret room too? But it has a window. No, it has a window, but nobody should know about that room. That's kind of weird. Full station in that room. No, it's a door. Oh, wait. Lloyd, love. Okay, alright. Bathtub. Get out of here. Alright. Yup, no more rooms. Wait a minute, wait, there's an air vent. I don't want to see the attic one more time because I don't want to. Alright, let's go downstairs. Go! I just went on the channel right there. Alright, let's go. Past violence, I have to acknowledge. Okay, reset. Okay, there we go. Pedal silent means acknowledge, but let's test the air conditioner, but I don't think there's any at this house, too. Nah, it's not this one, but it looks like but it doesn't. It's not, though. Oh, wait, gas meter. Okay, I don't see any right now. If I just walk around the house, I'll be able to find it, right? Well, no. That's because... Alright. Oh, wait. Where is it? Where's the air conditioner at? Oh, wait. Okay. Interesting. Comes from the laundry. And the garage right here? I don't understand. Alright. Okay. It should be on the front of the house, but they decided not to do it. Or they didn't build this house. Okay, whatever. There's kind of no air conditioners in this house. Okay, bye, guys. Oh, wait, I'll do it outside. Okay, bye, guys.